What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up spam filters for WordPress emails using cPanel. If your WordPress emails are landing in spam, or if your inbox is getting flooded with junk messages from your contact form, this is something you definitely want to configure. cPanel includes built-in spam filtering tools that let you block unwanted emails, reduce noise, and make sure important WordPress notifications actually reach your inbox. And that is just another area where RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting makes life way easier. With spam filtering already built in, you can manage email security directly from your hosting account. No third-party tools required. If you're not hosting with us, check out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing websites and email simple and reliable. Now quickly before we begin, I will mention that this works best once you already have set up a domain-based email account. With WordPress, spam filtering is applied at the email level, so having proper email routing and forwarding configured first is ideal. All right, let's go ahead and move into the steps. So start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're on the main dashboard, scroll down to the email section and click on spam filters. On the spam filters page, the first thing that you'll see is the option to enable spam filtering. Make sure that that is turned on. By default, cPanel uses Apache Spam Assassin, which automatically scans incoming emails and assigns them a spam score. Next, look at the spam threshold setting. This score determines how aggressive the filter is. A lower number means stricter filtering, while a higher number is more relaxed. For most users, the default setting works very well, but you can adjust it if you notice too many false positives or too much spam getting through. Now scroll down to the section where you can manage blocked and allowed senders. This is where you can actually fine-tune how WordPress emails are all handled. If you want to make sure certain emails are never marked as spam, then add them to the whitelist. This is especially useful for WordPress notification emails, SMTP providers, or trusted contact form addresses. Once an email or domain is whitelisted, it will always be delivered to your inbox. If you're receiving repeated spam from specific email addresses or domains, you can add them to the blacklist. Any messages from those senders will be blocked or flagged as spam automatically. After making your changes, save those settings. The spam filter will start applying these rules immediately. To test everything, submit a contact form on your site and send a test email to your WordPress address. Confirm that legitimate messages arrive in the inbox and that spam messages are being filtered correctly. If needed, you can always come back and adjust the filter sensitivity or update your whitelist and blacklist over time. And that's it, you have successfully set up spam filters for WordPress emails using cPanel. With the right filtering rules in place, you'll cut down massively on junk messages and make sure important WordPress notifications don't get lost. This is another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you control over both your website and your email environment. With built-in spam filtering tools, you can protect your inbox and improve email reliability with just a few clicks. And if you're looking for dependable hosting with full cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step WordPress guides just like this one. All right, that wraps it up for me today. I will catch you in the next video.